Hey, what's your name? You want some candy? I'll give you some candy. Oh. Hey guys, what's up? We're back for episode 2 dos. Um, you're a turtle and a creepy turtle. Well, I was doing a little bit of thinking, and since we have the server levels like so adjusted, like you get so much per level, I was thinking, unless we're leveling up a dino, we should always be on foot. Like, we should take on alphas on foot. Like, do nothing, like, as far as, like, going out to get resources on dinos. Like, well, like, let's say if we needed metal and we needed, like, a weight dino, we'd use him. But, like, if we were just running around trying to collect, let's say, I don't know, just trying to kill alphas and stuff, we're not allowed to use birds or anything. We just have to do it on our feet. And I almost died from that. Holy crap. Not good. Well, that would have been a nice death. I could have titled it Death and Despair number 2. Anyways, today's episode, I think we're gonna go around. What are we gonna do? Oh, let's see. What about our enneagrams? That better be that freaking, what's it called behind us? I think we need to get to these metal tools. Let's go ahead and learn them. We're gonna need a forge. Trophy base. Where's the forge? Here's the forge. And, okay. So we gotta work on getting our forge. Structures, crafting. Whoops, lag. Oh, we need some hide. What can we do to get hide, Bobby? Oh, I really need that pike. It was like so handy. Alright, I guess we can go try. Wait, we can go kill things on Jerry. Yes! All the smarts. I don't want to travel all the way over for that turtle. Here's a trike right there we can kill. Oh, and a turtle. Thank God. Hello, Spider-Man. How are you doing today? Okay, I gotta kill this turtle. Will you hurry up and die? Die. 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 There you go. Now we harvest you. Wait, no, we need hide, so we use this thingy. Okay, all the hide. And a level up. We are so cool. We need more fortitude. That way we can live in the snowy swamps. That made so much sense, didn't it, guys? Well, we made 2 of these just because we're cool. I didn't mean to make 2, and we are lagging. Not a good thing. I'll have to try to fix that. Again, like I said I was going to last time, but I never did because I'm lazy. Ugh, can I get off you? Thank you. Is that Jerry's? Jerry, you laid an egg! I thought you were a male. Oh, you're a female. I knew that. Transgender. Just kidding, Jerry. We love you. Okay, so let's go ahead and place down these forges. 9. Yes. Oh, so sexy. Let me make it where you can see a little bit better, guys. Okay, so now we got a forge. Let's put some wood in there, and some wood in there. Oh, who's attacking Jerry? Do I hear a Dilo? Dilo, you screwed with the wrong man. Or with the wrong... Oh, what the hell just hit me? Jerry, come back! Oh, 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 oh. Get out of here, Dilo. Can you die? Ah! Ah! You're not dead. There we go. See, this is gonna be extremely hard. I can already... Oh. Like, how many hits did it just take to kill a level 41 Dilo? What the hell? Okay. we... Can we make a pterodon saddle? I need more weight. Oh yeah, pterodon saddle. Patera, 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 patera. Where's the patera? Patera, patera. What the hell? I'm just gonna search it. Patera. Oh, we need to be level 35. We're level 31. Well, we can't fly you over there. I think I know where some metal is. Well, I'm just gonna go up on top of a mountain, see if I can find a little bit of metal, and I will get right back to you whenever we do. See you in a second. Well, we are the greatest dyers ever. I've just jumped off a cliff on accident. Well, was it on accident? It may have been on purpose, but I don't know. I hope I know where base is. I don't think I do. Map. Okay, I do. It's way over there. What the hell? Well, that's like death number 7. I don't know. I wasn't counting, but... Aha. Why do I have all the deaths? I have all of them. What kind of egg is that? It's a turtle egg. Oh no. Oh no. Not a Dilo. Well, I'm gonna go back, see if I can find the stuff, and if not, I'll just make some new things. We didn't really have much, but yeah. Oh my gosh. All the arrows. That is amazing. Well, I looked for my stuff, I couldn't find it, so I just went ahead and made some new gear. Like I said, we weren't very far. And we are now close to level 35 to just fly a Patera around to see what we can find. But, so, I'm just going to kill this trike, and hopefully be high enough level to get a Patera saddle. The sad thing is, I know this thing's going to one-shot me, so I have to stay away. Like, super badly. Nope. Oh no! Oh, you frick. Rip preggers. Where are we spawning at? I don't like this. Where are we at? Oh, we're just right here, aren't we? Isn't that Spider-Man? That's Spider-Man. Our house should be like right here. Hey. You're the evil bastard that killed me, aren't you? Yes, you are. Here's my body. Well, we're gonna have to have take 2. Take all. Let's find an easier target. Perhaps a level 5 turtle. Whoa! What? Whoa! Oh! Oh! Mm. 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 I hear a Dilo. You thought you were... Ah! Mother freak! I'm having the time of my life, guys. We spawned next to our base again. I'm very grateful. Just kidding. I wish I would stop dying, but I'm not good enough. Hey, you're almost dead. Oh, that freaking thing almost killed you, eh? Oh, we shall take advantage of that. Da! Da! Oh, I missed. Die. Thank you. Now you die. Da. Thank you. Am I level 35? Please. I didn't even level up from that? What the hell? Oh, I leveled up from that, though. That makes a lot of sense. More speed. More speed is required. Okay. Now whose turn is it to whoop my ass? Is it your turn, Jerry? Do you want to whoop my ass? I think Jerry wants to whoop my ass. Do you want to whoop my ass, Jerry? Level 9. There's 3 of these turtles. That's not fair. Level 24. Holy fuck, you will touch me. Haha, you're dead, bitch. And we are level 35. We are amazing in the... No! I don't like this game right now. I'm having second thoughts about doing no dinos. That would be incredibly hard. Like, we're having such a hard time. I mean, I don't have armor on, but still. Have I upgraded my health any? I think it's, yeah, it's 160, but we need to have like 1,000 health or something. There's that bitch that killed me. Where's my body? Okay, I know it was over here. Thank you. Take all. Okay, now we can go over here in safety, learn our enneagram, craft a saddle, find metal, and then quit life. I love those objectives. Just, oh my gosh. Okay. Let's learn the enneagram. Search it. P Terra. Thank you. And now we go here. We go to saddles. And P Terra. Oh, we need fiber and chitin. What can we kill that gives us chitin? Oh, we can kill bugs, right? I don't know how I got this first chitin. Like, I mean, I know what we can get it from. I don't know what we could kill. Like, without being too of a struggle. Are we gonna have to kill a scorpion? I don't like that idea. What else did we need? We needed fiber and oh, we can get yeah from trikes. We don't have to get chitin. Okay, I like that idea better. Can we kill a trike? Hey, you give chitin. So do you. Or not chitin, my bad. What level are you? You're level 2. We're gonna kill you. Do you have any boyfriends? Oh, yes, you do. I'm gonna rage. I really am. We have like 10 deaths in this episode. Like, this is not good. Well, I'm gonna kill a trike or 2 or 10 or die 10 times. One or the other. And I will be right back. We did it, guys. We killed 2 of them. I can't believe it. Like, oh no. We're not gonna get enough, are we? What if I use this? Do I get more? No. Crap. I don't think we got enough. No! Okay, we'll kill you too. No, turtles have too much health. I realize that now. Let's put this right here and repair it. And And then we will go kill this strike. Crap. I thought we were gonna have enough. You're probably a high level, but we're gonna kill you. Oh, no, we're not. What the hell? Guys, I think my body's sleeping in a tree. Well, guys, it appears that I've died 10 more times since the last clip. And I believe my body glitched under the world this time. Which means we lost everything. Again. 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 I don't like this game right now. Well, what I'm gonna do... Oh, correction. What I'm gonna try to do in the next 2 hours is I'm gonna try to craft a pterodon saddle. And then we're gonna go find metal. And then we're gonna bring it back to the refining forge. And when that's done smelting, I will come back and pretend I'm good at this game. Jerry! Oh, I thought you were almost dead. Jerry, you actually did that for us. Where did I die at? Oh, my body glitched under the world. I forgot. That's not good. Yeah, see, I bet if we went into K mode, we can find it. Where is it? I know it glitched under the world. At least, that's what I saw. It definitely glitched under the world, guys. But, unless it's already, like, in this water. No, I don't see it. Well, yeah, we'll be back. Well, guys, we are back. And we have accomplished many things. We got some metal going. And we got a smithy now. We are amazing. We are accomplishing goals in life. So we're gonna place this right here. Yeah, sure, that sounds good. Now we're gonna put that in there, wood in there, hide in there, metal in there, weapons, melee. Now we can get that. Oh, we need more metal for the other thing. That. Oh my gosh. Oh, orgasm. Okay. We now have metal tools. Isn't this amazing? Just look at it. And now for sadness. If we turn around, you'll see there has been a hole in our house that this turtle so kindly did. And in the process of this, he did many things. Number one of which is he killed... Oh, if I can type, I can't type. There. Sergeant Thomas, our level 5 pterodon. And he also killed Jerry. Rip Jerry. Alright, if I could fucking type Rip Jerry. Y'all will be greatly missed. So now you're asking yourself, well, how did I get this metal if my pterodon died? I, for one, grew a brain and started harvesting these rocks, which give me about 7 metal apiece. They give me 9 now with a metal pick, so that's pretty cool. So that's what I did. I harvested that metal. And it's just so sad. I can't think right now. Y'all will be missed. Now nobody's gonna be able to take Spider-Man down. Spider-Man's nemesis. He's just gonna roam here forever. Unless Bob. Bob, no. Well, you need a montage, but not this episode. Okay, so now what we're gonna do. We have got to craft some armor and upgrade our health. Okay, let me learn. No, we're not crafting chitin. We're not cool enough for that. We're just gonna craft some nice little hide. I'm starving. Oh no. Here, give me 1 second. I'm gonna eat a bunch of berries, and you don't want to hear that. Okay, and we are back, and I ate, I think it was like 70 berries, but whatever. Nobody was counting. So now since we learned our hide, armor, hide, we need, I don't want to get hide. Crapoly. What's something that we could kill? Oh, we can kill this dodo, and the other dodos that I see. Oh, get shreked. Get shreked. Get shreked. Die. Ho ho. Oh. Both of you dead. I'm now good at this game. I have accomplished life goals of murdering dodos. Raw. Oh, I just realized we could have stolen one of these gravestones, but I had to craft cementing paste. Whatever. More health. We all need health. Now we need fiber. Fiber, 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 fiber. Alright, all the armor. It's all mine. What am I? That's only 4. I'm missing the hands. Hands. Thank you. Now put it on. And it is time for revenge. Cue the music. Get out of the water. Cue the music. Oh, we are amazing, guys. Amazing. Just amazing. Oh. 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 Alright. I kind of want to kill more things now. Like, I want to kill that Bronto. But we're not cool enough for that yet. Let's see. What should we do? What should we do, Bobby? I don't know what to do, Bobby. Bobby. You're his brother. Cue the music. Oh my god, we lived it. Brother number 2 has been taken down, and now we kill his cousin. Because they are so related. Come here, cousin. Cousin of Jerry Destroyer. Oh, get shreked. Just get shreked. Any more cousins? Or brothers? How many times did your parents have sex? Okay, not many. You're not his brother. Hey, come back here. I didn't get to see what level. Let's go get that drop, that candy corn drop. After I have the hiccups, guys, and this is horrible. See, with that armor and our 300 health, we actually lived a hit from one of them. His brother. I have the hiccups. All the hiccups. We're not going to get that. Oh, what? Fuck. No. I wish I would have known you were there. I did not see you. All the hiccups. Hey, isn't there a cave? Where's the... There's the cave. Scorpion. Die low. Oh no. Oh. Yes, all the chitin. Any more predators? And the dangers enters the cave. Crystal! Oh, I forgot. Every time you enter a cave, it always has to load it up because it counts as a separate world, which sucks. Aw, is this crystal not harvestable? I guess it's not. That's stupid. Oh, we're cold. All the hiccups. Hello? Anybody in here? Nope, nobody's home. We're leaving. My balls have shrunk back up into my asshole. All the fucking hiccups. That's pissing me off. Guys. We found... Go away, hiccups! Okay, we need to kill this thing. From what I've heard, is it gives you a costume. And we need that costume. So, we're probably gonna die, but we're gonna attempt to kill him. I killed him! Oh my gosh. Did I even get the costume? I didn't get the costume. I think I was supposed to go in his inventory and do it that way, but I accidentally harvested him before I could, so... Is that Stegomatus? No, it's not. I have all the hiccups, guys, and it's really annoying, and I bet it's annoying to you, too. Well, guys, we've had a very productive day. Productive indeed, and destructive. But it will all become worth it. Because, before this episode, I did, like, enter there. I did clear my dossier. So now, that is going to be one of our objectives of the season. And our other objective will be to destroy the brood mother way over there in that far land. So, whenever we do that, we will accomplish life itself. And then we could die in a hole and be proud that we did this. Anyways, it's now time to end the episode. And I wish you goodbye. Peace!